Very good morning, children. Last class we have discussed about Pythagoras theorem in triangles lesson, children. Is a very important theorem, children. Now the today's class, let me go for the another lesson theorem, that is circles, children. Already you have learned the theorem 1, that is tangent drawn to a circle is always a right angle to the radius at the point of any contact. Now we can go for the another one theorem, that is the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. This is the statement, children. Tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are always equal, children. They will give the statement. They'll never ask the statement, children. For that we have to write the figure, children. Now we have to write the circle, and O is the center of a circle is there. Again OQ and OQ and OR are the radius is there, and P is an external point. Because we have to draw the tangents, children. To draw the tangents, we have to write an P is an external point. Now PQ and PR are the tangents, then OQP and ORP will become as a 90 degree. The tangents drawn to a circle will be always 90 degrees. Now we have to join this O and P, children. Now the data are given also, we can say, children. Data is what here? PQ and PQ and PR are the tangents. Are the tangents of the circle with center O, children. With the center O. With the center O, children. Now PQ and PR are the tangents are there of in a circle with the center O, children. Now what we are going to prove is, to prove we have to say here tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. So this tangent and this tangent both are will get as an equal. So we have to write PQ is equal to PR, because these two are the tangents. Those two tangents are equal, we have to say. Now we have to go for the construction is the next step, children. Now join OQ, join OQ, OR and OP, join OQ, OR and OP. OQ, OR is the radius and OP is a line segment joining, children. Now we have to go for the proof, children. Now after joining this, we got two triangles. This is a triangle 1 and this is a triangle 2, or this is a triangle 1 and this is a triangle 2, children. Now we have to compare the triangles, children. Both the triangles, what a right angle triangles are there here. As the angle Q is an right 90 degree, then for this angle, this is an oppositeness will become as an hypotenuse, children. In triangle PQO, PQO, children, and a triangle PRO, both the triangle we are taking here. So OQ is equal to OR, OQ is equal to OR. These two are what a radii, because only one means we have to take the radius. Two are the radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle are equal, is there. And you know that radius at any point and the circumference of a circle will be always equal, is there. So now OP is equal to OP. For this triangle OPQ, OP, or OP is the same side, same side, and a common side also we can write. Common side we have to write here. Then what happen? If in a triangle two sides are equal are there. This is the one side and this is the one side, and this indicate the radius of the same circle, and this is the common side. Then therefore the another PQO should be equal to PRO, that is equal to 90 degree, because of the construction we got. We must write here construction, by construction also. Hence what happened? Two sides equal is there, and one angle also is there equal, two sides and one angle. So now we have to write the triangle PQO is congruent to triangle PRO. This is a symbol of the congruent, children. So two sides and one angle means we have to take the SAS postulate, side angle side postulate. Therefore PQ what happened is equal to PR. The corresponding sides are equal, then the corresponding angles are equal, then the tangents drawn from an external point P also will get equal. Hence proved, children. This is what the theorem to, children. You have to follow well, children. So after this we can go for the problem in the next class, children. Thank you.